During one of his visits to Vrindavan, he decided to rest at a place called Govind Hill after his parikrama of Govardhan Hill. With his eyes closed, while Madhavendra Puri was meditating on the pastimes of Lord Krishna, he felt a soft pat on his shoulder. He opened his eyes. He saw a charming cowherd boy holding a pot of milk in his hand.
Baba, you look so tired. Please drink some milk. In our village, no one fasts.
Who are you, little boy? Where do you live?
Baba, I live in the nearby village. I have to rush now. I have to take care of my cows. I will come back and collect the pot.
Seeing this, the boy left immediately. After drinking the milk offered by the cowherd boy, Madhavendra Puri kept waiting for the boy to return to take the pot. But the boy didn't return, and so Madhavendra Puri took rest under the tree. He had a dream. In his dream, he saw Lord Krishna.
Dear Madhavendra, I am Gopal. I was the one who brought you milk today. I am under the law. With the help of the villager, remove me from there and build me a temple.
Next day, Madhavendra Puri woke up and gathered all the villagers to help him out find the deity. They cleaned the place to find the most beautiful thing in the world. They found the beautiful deity of Gopal underneath the bushes. They immediately cleared the place and built a temple and installed Gopal.
Dear residents of Govardhan, let us celebrate this day when the Supreme Lord Gopal has appeared among us. The Supreme Lord and his deity form are non-different.
Govardhan Girdhari Gopal ki Jai. Govardhan Girdhari Gopal ki Jai. Govardhan Girdhari Gopal ki Jai.
Gopal was hidden under the bushes in earth and dirt for so many long years. He was exposed to the wind, the heat, the cold, and the rains. And now he had manifested in front of us. He must be very hungry. Please bring Gopal a variety of preparations made from milk, vegetables, fruits, yogurt. Let us conduct an Annakuta ceremony to satisfy the Lord.
Govardhan Girdhari Gopal ki Jai. Govardhan Girdhari Gopal ki Jai. Govardhan Girdhari Gopal ki Jai.
The residents of Govardhan brought scented water and water from the Govind Kund for Abhishekam of the Lord and offered him lots and lots of preparations.
मन मंदिरे रहो निशी दीन कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी मम मन मंदिरे रहो निशी दीन कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी
One day, Gopal appeared in Madhavendra Puri's dream and said,
Dear Madhavendra, I was worried for a long time. My body has become very hot. To cool me, drink some sandalwood paste and camphor from Jagannath Puri and smear it on my body.
Next day morning, Madhavendra Puri entrusted the charge of Gopal and the temple to two Brahmins from Bengal who had come to Vrindavan, who were dear to him. Then Madhavendra Puri set for Jagannath Puri. On his way, he came across a small village, Remuna, in Odisha. There was a beautiful temple of Gopinath in that village. Madhavendra Puri visited that temple and had darshan of Gopinath.
Maharaj, please accept this prasadam. Maharaj, today the city of Remuna is blessed by the visit of a great devotee like you. Where do you come from?
I have traveled here from Vrindavan.
Gopinath has shown great mercy on us by giving us the opportunity to meet you. Please stay with us for a few days.
I would love to stay here and serve Gopinath, but I'm on a mission. I have to travel to Jagannath Puri to collect sandalwood from the deity of Gopal in Govardhan.
We would be happy to extend any help you need.
Thank you so much. Oh priest, the way you worship Gopinath is amazing. How did the Lord manifest here?
This deity is personally carved by Lord Ram in the Treta Yuga.
What are the special foodstuffs that you serve to the Lord?
Every day in the evening, the Lord is offered with 12 earthen pots of sweet rice. This rice is so sweet that it is called Amritakeli. It is offered nowhere else in the world. It is celebrated all around the world as Gopinath Sri Ram. Maharaj, it's time to offer prasadam. Please make yourself comfortable. I will meet you after the offering and aarti.
If someone could bring me a little prasadam, I could taste it and prepare a similar preparation for the deity of Gopal.
But as he thought, he felt offensive.
How offensive was I to think of tasting the very same food even before it was being offered to you?
Bhakti Preeti Mala Chandan Bhakti Preeti Mala Chandan Tumi niyo hai niyo Chit Nandan Tumi niyo hai niyo Chit Nandan Jivan Maran Tava Puja Nivedan जीवन मरण तब पूजा निवेदन सुंदर है मन हारी सुंदर है मन हारी कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी मम मन मंदिरे राहो निशी कृष्ण मुरारी श्री कृष्ण मुरारी सुनंद कुमार
As per the regular customs of the temple, the priest worships the deity and closes the temple.
Panditji, at this time? Yes, it's an order from the Lord. Sweet rice pot was stolen. Panditji, I'm not able to understand what you said. Wait here. I had a strange dream. Gopinath told me that he had stolen a pot of sweet rice and kept it behind the curtain for a sannyasi by the name of Madhavendra Puri.
Panditji, what are you saying?
Yes, I'm speaking the truth. I got up immediately, took bath and came here to check. Yes, the sweet rice pot was there. Gopinath has really stolen it for the sannyasi. I must go and search for him.
But Gopinath stole sweet rice from a sannyasi. I have to tell this to everyone.
Madhavendra Puri was so ashamed that he soon left the temple and sits under a tree in the forest feeling guilty.
Krishna, what can I do? How can I atone from this great sin? My Lord, please save me. Please save me.
Is there anyone by the name of Madhavendra Puri here? Oh Madhavendra Puri, please show yourself.
I am Madhavendra Puri.
Maharaj, it is you. Maharaj, you are a great devotee. You are the most fortunate.
I am not worthy of this praise. I am an offender.
By your mercy, Gopinath appeared in my dream.
I did not understand.
After the aarti, I closed the temple and went home. While I was taking rest, Gopinath appeared in my dream. He said that he has stolen a pot of sweet rice and kept it aside for you. He asked me to hand it over to you. Please accept this pot of sweet rice.
Oh my Lord, you have heard my heartfelt desire. You have heard Krishna. Krishna, I am so fallen. You stole a pot of sweet rice for me. Gopinath, Gopinath.
Madhavendra Puri was so ecstatic and accepted the pot of sweet rice. He not only ate the sweet rice but also broke the pot and ate its pieces every day. Because Lord Gopinath stole Shira for his devotee, the deity of the temple is known by the name Shir Chor Gopinath. Shira means milk and Chora means thief. Madhavendra Puri continued his journey to Jagannath Puri. He fetched sandalwood paste and camphor for his Gopal in Vrindavan. On his way back, he once again had the darshan of Gopinath. That day again, Gopinath appeared in his dream and said, Madhavendra Puri, apply this sandalwood paste with camphor to Gopinath's body, as I am no different from him. So Madhavendra Puri personally made arrangements to make the sandalwood paste with camphor and stayed back to offer it to Lord Gopinath. Madhavendra Puri was so fortunate that, obliged by his devotional service, the Supreme Lord revealed his form as Gopal in Govardhan and received services from his exalted devotee. On account of Madhavendra Puri, Lord Gopinath stole the pot of sweet rice. These loving reciprocations between the pure devotee and the Supreme Lord in his Archa Vigraha form are benedictions for a common man to render personal service to the Lord. Shri Chor Gopinath,